YouTube channel. Right, in this video I'm going to actually show you what is currently happening in the crypto space right now, and the brief things we need to actually talk about, and why we actually exchange multi-coin to ARK. Right, so if you're on my WhatsApp group, you're actually going to see where I inform you guys to actually sell your multi-chain to ARK. Right, ARK. So that is the coin we are actually buying. Let us actually check on what is happening on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the master of the game. So let's check out what is currently happening. Right now, this is a 4-hour time frame, and over here, after we strike up to the upside, right, reach it at 1800, we actually break down the game, be on a resistance level before actually retracing down about 28,861. So that is the point we need to actually pay attention to. And let's actually check out the 1-day time frame. The 1-day time frame, what is the 1-day time frame talking about? Right now, if we actually zoom here, you're actually going to see where we actually break up to the upside, break down, break up, break down. I have actually explained this before, right? Before actually retracing up. This is a nice zone. Another time, this is a nice zone again. Another time, this is a nice zone. So these are the zones we actually need to pay attention to. So obviously, guys, I actually told you guys that we need to actually break down here before actually retracing, or actually break down to this moment before actually retracing. So those are the zones we need to actually pay attention to. So let us zoom very well. So if we can check out right now, we actually break down from this uptrend, pushing way to the downside, where we may actually experience more down level to this side before actually retracing back above, right? Or it is even possible for us to actually retrace up to the upside. Now let us currently look at today candlestick. Right now we can see that today candlestick is currently have created a down candle, have created a down stick. Right now, what is remaining is for you to actually load up to the upside. So that is why it is obviously that we may also retrace up to the upside, since we have actually created a down stick for today, right? And after we created after we went down yesterday, which was this red stick here, after we went down yesterday to about 28,861, we are currently creating a down stick right now, which is showing really positive, right? But we need to actually talk about the possibilities of Bitcoin. That's why I actually told you guys we will actually retrace this level, then break down, then go to the upside, or we will actually come to this level, then go to the upside. So these are the scenarios that we need to actually pay attention to. This is the main reason we need to actually pay attention to this. And let us actually check out on ARK. So why I actually told you guys to buy ARK. So this is the reason here. This is the reason here why I actually told you guys to buy ARK, right? You can see that this coin, obviously we bought it at this level. Right? It's down here. So it's very nice. So it's still trading at the lowest level right now. So this coin went up to about 0.84 cents, and currently right now, if we check out the price, is currently selling at 0.26 cents. That means if this coin can actually do this again, that means it's actually giving us about 3x to 4x, or should I say 5x? Okay, it's actually giving us about 4x. So if you calculate it, it's going to actually give you what you have lose on multi-chain, and still give you extra profit on top. So that's why I also, so that you guys should actually buy this coin, right? If you know that you are holding multi-chain, so swap your coin, or you can actually convert your coin, your multi-chain to this coin right now on the Binance app, or any exchange you are currently using, right? So that is it, right? That is the main reason why I actually told you guys to actually swap. And we can currently see that multi-chain have been making a recent level right now. So that's why I obviously recommend everyone to actually sell out the multi-chain. Of course, we may actually see reverse on this multi-chain. So if you know you are holding, you need to actually know the risks involved, because the multi-chain is still drowning, right? So we actually need to actually convert it to a coin that can even do more than good or more than what we need to actually get, right? So that coin is still good and can do 4x. So 4x can cover up the losses you have made on multi-chain, so you need to actually pay attention to that. And currently right now we are currently seeing the move of Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is currently doing in the crypto space. That's why we need to actually pay attention on this level, guys. I told you guys that if we break down on this level, right, that we may actually break down this level, and this is the level we need to pay attention to, and also this is the level we need to pay attention to before we actually retrace back to the market. Right now, let us actually zoom into the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, we are actually going to check out what is the possibilities. Right over here we actually break down. Over here we actually break down. You can see the reversal mode. Of course, we are actually paying attention to the reversal mode. We are actually reversing right now, and if we reverse, the first point we are actually going to pay attention to is this point for us to actually break out this point. And how much is this point? Let's actually check right now. The level which you need to actually break at, right, is 30,000. 30,000, right? So once we break at 30,000, our next target on Bitcoin should be about this level. Okay, this level where we see this recent tops over here, this level. And if I be checking at this level, is also 30,700. So 30,700 is the next target, while the last target is 31,000. So well, the most important level we need to actually break out on the crypto space right now, in the crypto market right now, Bitcoin, is 32. 32 is the main target for us to confirm bullish for us to confirm going to the upside, which may actually lead us to the bull market, right? So we need to actually pay attention to that. I'm currently looking at the Bitcoin structure right now. You can actually see that we are on this zone. We may actually retest back. It's very obvious, guys. We need to actually pay attention. Of course, we have been consolidating on this level. We have been consolidating on this level, guys. We have been consolidating on this level before we actually break out from the box, right? We have been consolidating on this level. So if you check out this level, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, 8-hour time frame, you're actually going to see that we have been consolidating on that level for days. So right now we have actually breaking to the downside. Yes, this is the level I'm actually talking about. We may actually retest back to this level. So these are the possibilities that we need to actually wait, that we need to actually know in the crypto space. The day Bitcoin is not actually going to go up just like that. No, we need to actually know the possibilities of what Bitcoin can actually do, right? What Bitcoin can actually do. So we need to actually pay attention to what is coming. So on this level, we may actually find a retrace back on this level. So we need to actually pay attention to that. We may actually find a retrace back to this level, or the market can actually come down, right? They'll find a retrace back to this level. These are the two things we need to actually confirm, and these are the things we need to actually pay attention as the Bitcoin have actually break the very important resistance level, right, which has been holding for days, right? You can see that this is a very huge important resistance level which has been holding for days. Over here was a very good resistance level which has been holding for days before actually break to the downside, right? We break to the downside, right? So these are the level we need to actually pay attention to, guys. I'm really holding Bitcoin. I'm holding many coins, right? If you want to get more update on Hackcoin, if you want to get more update on best coin to actually buy, right, that can do more good, you have to actually join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description of this video. And if you want to you don't want to see any fluctuation on price, you need to actually buy the VT token. The VT token is going to guide you to make profits, right? So you don't have to disturb yourself. This is not a coin that will actually fluctuate your money or actually drain your money. So this is a token that if you buy, you're actually going to be making profit when it increase above 25%. Once it increase above 25%, you're actually going to sell it to USDT. So after selling it to USDT, you make your profit. Then it will be available for buy again. then you buy it, it will increase again, you sell. That is the main system of that token. So guys, if you are very interested in that token, go to the description of this video and actually sign up on the VT token website. After signing up on the VT token website, what you have to do now is to click on the add chart, right? Add chart, which means you want to actually buy the coin. Then after that, you put your location, then your email. All of those things you're actually going to see it on the website, so it's going to actually guide you through. So guys, peace out to this, peace out for now. I'm going to see my next video. Remember to stay updated on the crypto space. What we are currently seeing now, we actually seeing a retrace back to this level or this level. So we are actually expecting the market to come down to this level or this level. I'm going to see my next video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video so that it can be recommended to others too. Without let's say, I'm going to say peace out and goodbye.